Gunzo Gele Cheve Tumbeko Taye Dove Rewa Kongwe Sum Alwe Sheja Jishi Sibe Do Shaje Zo De La Sewa De. What is kindness? Some people say if somebody uh, donates you money, if somebody offers you food and shelter, if somebody helps you, so that is the kindness. But according to the Buddhist perspective, kindness is very related with our intention and our motivations. If somebody offers you money, food, shelter, if he or she has an intention to take advantage of you, so that is not a genuine kindness. So why we need a kindness for ourselves? Why we need a kindness for others and societies? If I uh, say, everybody has a different taste, everybody has a different interest, everybody has a different way of thinking. If I say, do you like pizza? Then some say I like pizza, some say I don't. If I say, do you like sports? Then some say I do like sports, some say I don't like. So if I ask, do you like music and dancing? Then some people say that, yes, and some people say no. But if I ask, do you want happiness? Then everybody says, yes, of course. If I ask, do you want suffering? Then everybody says, no, I don't. So when it comes to the happiness and sufferings, everybody has the same feeling, and happiness and suffering is common for all of us. So if I share you a story about myself, when I became a monk, I was 8 years old. I joined to the monasteries, and the first day of my monasteries, my teacher he gave me a one page of the Tibetan Buddhist text. He asked me to memorize it. Then the next day, I had to give a test. I had to recite that page by my own heart. Then the next day, he gave me a 2 pages. Then he gave me a 3 pages. Then he gave me a 4 pages. Then he gave me a 5 pages. So according to the monastic rules and regulations, no matter individual student has a capacity to memorize more than 5 pages, the teachers are not allowed to give very hardship to the students. So they are not allowed to give more than the 5 pages. So this is the monastic guidance. Then when I completed my 5 pages, my teacher never smiled at me. He never showed good facial expressions. So I felt that, this guy is very crazy, He doesn't appreciate whatever I did, Then in the monastery, all the monks, they are taking naps in the afternoons. So one day I was taking a nap in the afternoon. Then I woke up. then I noticed that two people were speaking, next to my window. Then I came to know that one is my teacher, another one is my father. Then my teacher was saying to my father that your boy is very good, your boy is very intelligent, and your boy is studying very hard. You don't need to be worried about your boy. I will take good care of your boy. So he was saying such a thing. So he was giving a lot of compliment about me. So I was so surprised. So since then, I realized that my teacher truly cares me. Then, I developed a huge respect towards him. Since then, I go to him every day. Even he never smile at me. Sometimes he scolds me. So uh, I'm very used to that. So sometimes if he doesn't scold me, then that very day, I feel that, there is some kind of missing in my life. So uh, kindness has to come uh, out of respect. Kindness has to come out of compassion and pure mind. So I just share you my own story. So if you have any opinions or if you want to say any comments, then you can write it down in the comment sessions. And if you have any topics that you want me to talk about it, so free to write it down in the comments sessions. Then I'll try my best. Thank you.